we're encouraged to have some type of pre-lesson quiz question. And so this is, again, although this is pertaining to a, the whole sweep of things, I'm not going to tell you what the date is, but it does, maybe this question might suggest some of the importance of the topic. What year did the People's Republic of China replace Taiwan, also known as the Republic of China, in the UN Security Council, with that all-important Security Council seat that allows you to veto important decisions, right? Together with Russia, France, Great Britain, and the US. So why don't we drop an answer in the chat, please?
Looks like we have some answers coming in.
Again, even though I'm not going beyond 1949 tonight, doesn't mean that this answer might not, since it's an exception. It's before we even get into it. The answer might be post-1949, so don't be fooled.
B, C, 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 C. I think we're ready for the answer.
And the answer is actually C, yes. But it's not actually, this is the interesting point, I guess, right when the Chinese Communist government under Zhou Enlai and Mao Zedong take over, but in fact, there's a gap of about 22 years before that takes place.